Hi friends, it's Becky, and it's time for us to open up the July Magical Mystery Bead Box from JJB Beads. This is a monthly bead subscription that is usually curated to a theme or tells you a story. And I love that we always get a story or just a real strong vibe from these beads when they put it together. Sometimes you'll find some really unique beading items in addition to the regular glass beads and findings. Sometimes we'll get some really fun acrylic beads, or why am I having so much trouble opening this? Oh, there's some tape. Sorry friends, you didn't tune in to watch me struggling with boxes. That is just not what this channel is about. We did it. Okay. Summer Festival. Oh, you guys ever gone to music festivals? This is really cool, actually. This is like old school rock vibes. We've got our set list. Oh, the jam. They already did this one by the time I'm opening this. So you'll be able to find it on the JJB Beads YouTube channel if you wanted to. And then they've always got some tutorials that are pre-recorded that you can use to make some stuff with these, but I'll also be making some things with this. So this is our list of all the things that we've got in here. I love it. I love the turquoise and the red and the silver together. That is awesome, actually. Check this out. These are gorgeous. The doors. This is super fun already. Oh, look at all of these silver beads. Queen. They're named after rock bands, guys. Oh, check out this gorgeous, gorgeous rose pendant. This is a resin pendant, so it's not going to be super heavy, but it is big and beautiful. It's a connector. There's a hole at the top and a hole at the bottom. Oh, perfect. I know exactly what I'm going to be doing with this. I don't know that this is going to fit in my 15 grid box that I like to put things in for these. It is not going to fit in there, so it's just going to need to be separate or from here. I like to organize my bead boxes into these 15 grid organizers because if I leave them in the box that they came in, I will never use them. But if I can see them all at once, it makes it so much easier. We've got some connector pairs. We've got some nuggets, the Rolling Stones. How cute is that? Looks like that's actual genuine turquoise nuggets as well. Jimi Hendrix, a little bead mix. Oh, that's beautiful. Janis Joplin. More chain with turquoise. We'll be sorting through this bead mix in a minute before we get them put away in there. And then a festival mix. Oh, this is so much fun, you guys. Fleetwood Mac. Is this a chain? Tell me this is a chain. This has some real hippy-dippy vibes. How fantastic. I love this. Love this. Love this. Love this. So we've got two different chains. We've got some, look at these shell beads. Look how gorgeous they are. All of these colors. Woodstock. All right. Now, I'm going to open these up, get them put in here. And we'll get the strands open, get those put in there, get these chains put in here. You'll fit, yes. Okay, so that chain fits. That is the Fleetwood Mac chain. Then I've got my Janis Joplin chain. Oh, that is beautiful. I love So we've got some beaded chain right there for that. I'm going to go ahead and stick these Rolling Stones turquoise nuggets right there next to the Janis Joplin chain. And then these connectors are going to go, ooh, these aren't just connectors, these are magnetic clasps. I believe they are. See, they're magnetic, but why? Oh, there we go. It's a little bit stuck together. That's going right there in the front. And so is that one. I like to put clasps and other connectors right there in the front. This is going to have to be on the side. And then we've got these guys. Let's get them their little space. These are beautiful beads. I love these coin beads when they have these bits on them. You've got two of these rectangle shape ones. I've got a hole down the center. And you've got two of these round ones. Look at that. That is just beautiful. I love all of these colors. All right, let's get these beads sorted in this mix. That's the festival mix. Looks like we've got a few cloisonné beads. These are gorgeous. They have these pink flowers with red centers. And then we've got some red flower drops. I'm going to stick those there. And then some leaf charms and some pink flower charms. Charms and things will all go together. Then we've got some red melon-shaped ceramic beads. We have these white, lustery drop beads. And then these, they are center drilled, so they have a hole down the middle. We got some fat bottom beads, and these are like a really great green color. And some light green, kind of avocado color. Rondelles. We have some turquoise beads. They're coin shaped. And I think these are probably dyed howlite. They look like they might be. And then more coin beads. These are like a nice opaly light blue. And then we've got some bead caps and spacers, and they are floral and fantastic. Let's open up our other mix. Hold on, there's some tape on the side. I'm just going to take that off real quick. The tape keeps this from popping open during transit. All right. Take a look at these. These are like all drops and dangles, except for these. These are like wide hole rondelle beads. They have these smaller, like 3x4mm beads around they're like tires. That's what they're making me think of. And then we've got these enamel drops. We've got some pink ones. Like that. And then we've got some sort of teal colored drops. Those pink ones are circular and these ones are more drop shaped. And then our bead caps here, look like they've got like an enamel outside on them as well. That's beautiful. I'm going to stick these with the other bead caps and spacers though. Right there. All right, so our bead strands are mostly going to be some funky chunky beads, but there are a couple of other beads that I might want to sort into sections with some of these other guys. So let's get this open. Green, blues. It's entirely possible that I might separate out the bead caps and the spacers just because there's so many different types of each of these. Because we've got these kinds of spacers, and then we've got like the bead caps too. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna sort the spacers separately. That way all these spacers can go together. And some of them have like bigger holes. But then we've got like these metal beads that also have like this enamel component to it. They are so groovy. That's the word, groovy. I'm not wrong. And then we've got these barrel beads. I think they might go with that one. This one is such a fantastic focal bead. It's got like the chain on the outside. It's got this mosaic on this side. That's fantastic. These are great. All right. And these guys. And then we've got these 4 smaller red beads. I'm going to stick them over here with those. All right. And now we've got just a ton of these metal beads on this strand, the queen strand. And these will all probably go together in their own section. But we've got 4 of these swirly beads. We've got 4 of these square flower beads. We have 4 of these round flower beads. These are the same on both sides. And we've got 4 of these like filigree heart beads. How pretty are those? All right, all of these are going in this section here. And now I'm going to put my spacers here and my bead caps here. I'm going to put my enamel drops in this section. I'm going to put these fun beads there. These flower and leaf drops are going to go right here. And I think we're going to put these turquoise and blues together right there. The red and melon beads are going to go here. The green beads will go here. These cloisonné beads will go here. And I think these guys are going to go right in here. Boom. Organized. All right. So that is our summer festival Jesse James Beads Magical Mystery Bead Box. That's the bead box for July 2024. And we're going to be making stuff with these probably this week, maybe over the weekend. I'm not sure. Next weekend, I am going to be doing a bunch of making, but not on camera because I am going to be an attendee at the Jesse James Beads summer camp. I did summer camp with them last year. It was so much fun. Like I said, they curate an experience. So, you know, go camp counselors, you've got little bunks, but it's all virtual. And you have 10 different projects that are being taught by some of the fantastic people who make jewelry and make jewelry tutorials. Like Gem Hawks has a couple of different projects. You've got Deb Floros is doing one. You've got Meredith Roddy doing some. You've got Danielle Wicks. We're going to do some stuff with her. You've got Neely Patel. He's also got a project with some silver silk. So it's going to be super, super fun, and I'm really looking forward to that. But I might be all like jewelried out after doing all of those. So it's possible that I'm not going to be feeling very up to making things on camera. But if I am, it will be something that's completely different. Maybe instead, if we have a heavy seed bead day, I might do some stringing on camera with y'all, just to give my brain a little bit of a break. But for now, this is what we've got. This is our July box. It is beautiful. I love the colors. I love the theme. I'm absolutely in love with these. I'm gonna have to do something real special with these guys, but I hope y'all are having a fantastic day. I will put a link in the description if you would like to subscribe. They also sell the box separately if you don't like surprises. They do have extras available. You do get a savings on the box if you subscribe. It does cost more if you just outright buy it, but if you want this box, if you're like, you know what, I gotta have that, you can go ahead and go on to Jessie James Beads and purchase it there. Anyway, hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.